Hello, today I am playing Scarface.
The world is yours.
Yes it is, thank you. You do owe me the world because last night, I gave you my only dice and you took it. So you owe me the world. And now you give me the world. There we go. Yes, I have played this game before. Stupid toy trying to make me feel stupid. I'll make you feel stupid when I shoot you. I hope there's guns on this game. I think there is. Because looking at the box thing of it, there's an angry man with lots of guns. And let me just say, I've never made it past the first level. Come on! Don't need to take this long to load. What's loading? Who are you? Get off my screen. Did I ask for you to be on my screen? No, I didn't, so get off. Thank you. Oh, he looks angry. Just looking in my wardrobe and casually pulling out a gun. Get out of my house. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you better run. Because I'll tell him. He's going to play with us. Yeah. What's happening? Oh, forget this. Oh, explosion. Don't know why he has to get so angry over a little fire and a few men with guns. Oh, you're gonna die. What happened? Oh, you can't jump. Oh, you can't go that way. I shot him. Oh, yeah. No, mimosa. Get away from me, you disgrace. Oh, I'm planning on this video only being about 3 minutes long. So yeah. Hey, you got greasy hair. Alright, there's no need to get angry. They're just trying to steal your tissues. And I can see why now. They need to wipe their faces. You just shot them. Okay, forget you. Wait, what happened? Did something good happen? Oh, yep, he died. Ah, you killed my friend. You killed my friend Maurice. Ooh, what's his do? Na, 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 na. Heh, I went a different way. Na, na, na. Oh my god, I shot that pipe. I'm gonna kill you. Excuse me. No, why won't you die? There we go. Oh, there you go. Aw, damn. That's just that I fucked up. No, I don't want to play the combat tutorial. Oh well, thanks for watching. If you care to like the video, that'd mean a lot to me. Thank you. Bye bye.